We are the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, and we are here to invite you to a fun event. Okay, so put it on your calendars. Saturday, April 21st, we're having our big paper shredding and e-waste event. So if you've got boxes of files to shred or old electronics to get rid of around the house, we pay for the companies, and we're going to be at LaSalle High School, and you just bring all your junk and drop it off and we'll take care of it for you. We'll also have food. It'll be a lot of fun. We have hundreds of our past clients come and take advantage of this event. So if you could benefit from it, we want to see you there. Now, specifically, where is it at, Madeline?
It is located at LaSalle High School, 3880 East Steermarket Boulevard in Pasadena, and will be on the upper parking lot.
Okay, so what should they bring?
Computers and laptops. Audio equipment.
Household appliances.
Televisions, printers.
And what shouldn't they bring?
Household chemicals.
Batteries.
Paint cans. Syringes.
So whatever you've got that matches what you can bring, please bring it, drop it off, and we'll make it a great day. We'll have a lot of fun there. 9 to noon, Saturday, April 21st at LaSalle High School. Until next time, make it a great day. We'll see you on the next video.